Our Associate Director David Jones recently had the pleasure of meeting with one of our valued clients, Simon Goodman. Their meeting took place in London, following the successful completion of a remortgage of his company's property. Located on Charlotte Road, often described as the spine of central London's Fitzrovia, the Victorian-era property has been a home to the family business of Ludlow Co Ltd, who were button manufacturers for many years. Their buttons were provided to many clothing manufacturers both in the UK and overseas. However, as the production process changed, Ludlow Co found themselves more and more in competition with manufacturers in China and Taiwan.
So how long ago did you stop manufacturing here then?
In 2001.
In 2001, they decided to close production in Charlotte Road and move their business to Raynham. The property on Charlotte Road was vacant for a short while before the company were able to sell 50% of it, at which time Simon made the decision to convert the remainder of the building into various offices.
So this is a model agency.
Ah, I thought they were all good-looking people. Yeah. Where do I sign up?
The space reflects the vibrancy of these businesses whilst also generating a good rental income for Ludlow Co Ltd.
So did you do clothing as well as the button?
I did for a while,
Yeah.
but I stopped that in about 2018, I would say.
Right, okay.
David and Simon met to discuss Empire Global Finance's role in facilitating the remortgage for this property, which they and our team in Chester had worked on closely to ensure a seamless process that met Simon's needs and timeline. With our visit coming to a close, David expressed his pleasure at having worked with Simon as they had constructed the loan deal and said how nice it was to finally meet face to face and to physically visit the property, which the finance has been raised against. David said that it's even more impressive than he had anticipated. From financing historic renovations to providing tailored financial solutions, Empire are here to support you every step of the way. Contact us today and discover how Empire Global Finance can help you, much like we helped Simon, to achieve your financial goals. Visit www.empireglobal.co.uk and see how we can become your partner in prosperity.